In this video, we want to learn how to create a software called SaaS. This software is an online email extractor. These softwares gain thousands of visits all over the world. You can create a software like this and you put payment plan for people to pay. You can put adverts, or you can actually use it to sell your product and services. Like for instance, at the bottom, I just put join our vibe coding community at storyschool.com to promote our community and all that. Or you can put an advert. Just look at this website now. You can see everywhere now has Google advert, and they are making millions because the site is very, very popular. You can see that it's very basic. We are going to create a more professional site like this using vibe coding and AI software. So now let's test this software now. This is it. If I click here now, it will take me to our dashboard to see all the emails that people have extracted on the site. Now, if I come here, I can create an account. I can try the free email extractor and all that. So this is how it works. It shows you paste your text, you extract, you get results and all that for your email before you send your bulk emails. You understand? So use it to track. So this is the way I configured it. You can get only 5 emails if you are on a free plan, but you can register and get more features. So these are the other features that you get if you register for free. Now, let me get some emails and test it. Let me just go to Google. Let me go to Google and say doctors in Canada. Let me get their email address. You get it? And just type Control A, copy everything, then go to the email extractor now. So yeah, I can click here on try the free extractor. So what I'll do is I'll just paste audio text. I can click here, remove duplicates, select it A to Z. Then I can highlight all. I can do all that. I'll just click here on extract emails. Now, you will see that it said 8 emails has been extracted. You know, I said it is only 5 email for the free plan. That is if you've not registered. So you can see this is what it said. It said this is the email address. 3 are hidden because we allow only 5. So you can change it to 1,000 to 10,000, whatever, when you are vibe coding it. Okay. Now, all I'll need to do now to get more of this email, I'll just go here and I'll click here on register. So you see here, so I've already registered here already. And all I'll do now is I'll just go back here and I'll just go to the extractor now. And this time around, I'll just click on extract. Okay. Okay, this one is still the free. Let me go to the, so you can see paid here. I'll just click here on my email extractor now, since I've logged in, and I'll paste the same email's address now. And I'll just click here on the make it A to Z. And I can group it by domain. So since I'm just doing a test and I don't want this video to be too long, so you can see 8 emails found. So when you look at it now, these are the email addresses and all that. So let me just cover it for privacy purposes like that. So you can download it here. You can download the CSV and all that. Are you getting it? So that's how it works. So how do we create this software easily? All you need to do is to join our AI vibe coding community. When you join this community, we'll give you the master prompt. You join our our vibe coding our vibe coding community, we are going to give you this master prompt for free, how you can use it to create these softwares and several other type of softwares that will give to you. So in order for you to get this is the master prompt here. All you do here is you just copy it. Once you copy it, you just put it to your AI designer. So I'm using Google AI Studio for this. All you do is you just paste it. Once you paste it, in some few minutes time, it will build the software for you that you can now like configure it, change the colors, add more features, add payments. You can add Stripe payment, you can add PayPal payment, you can add any other kind of payment you want to do on it. So once you get this master prompt, you just use it. So in order for you to get this master prompt now, just type start in the comment section I'll give you a link to where you join our vibe coding community, where will give you all this master prompt, where will teach you how to code prompts, how to write a master prompt yourself, how to use it to build professional softwares like this that you can use to do businesses, help people to do all kind of things and all that. Or you go to touristschool.com/AI to get access to our community and join this community, where we'll link you to other vibe coders on Telegram, WhatsApp, and we'll give you advanced codes, advanced tools, and everything you need as a vibe coder. Thank you for watching this video.